Alright, stop, collaborate and listen.
Speaking of collaborating, after transferring this home to his ex-wife for just $10, rapper Vanilla Ice's daughter is now representing the same home, which is pending for $800,000. Drama aside, this 2-story, 5-bedroom home offers 4,165 square feet of luxury living space, with several custom upgrades. As you enter, there's a formal living area with lovely views of the pool and backyard. Around the corner, you'll find a gorgeous dining room, flooded with light from a large window. The kitchen offers an oversized center island, double ovens, and plenty of cabinet space for storage. There's also an office on the first floor. Fortunately, you don't need to be a ninja to climb the stairs.
Go ninja, go ninja, go! Go ninja, go ninja, go!
You will find this spacious master bedroom with a large walk-in closet located on the second level. The master bathroom includes his and hers vanities, a soaking tub, and standing shower. And while it's not exactly Beachfront Avenue,
A1A, Beachfront Avenue.
The outdoor space is ideal for entertaining and hosting parties. It features 2 entertainment centers, a custom saltwater pool, cabana bath, and outdoor shower. It's no wonder this home was snapped up in a hurry, and Ice's family has moved on.
Yo, man, let's get out of here. Word to your mother.